AI obsession. Okay, currently my AI obsession, which I think I'll probably get a chance to talk about a lot today, is honestly AI agents. I am so excited of the shift from AI chatbots and just like prompt based, give me what I need right now, to actual agents who can do more than just give us tasks. They can actually hit goals and accomplish things on their own autonomously.
My obsession is twofold. One, to perfect using AI to make all my slides for me, for my keynote speeches. And two, I'm looking forward to the day, which I think is not very far away, which is everybody is going to have an AI executive assistant that they can talk to and have them do things and do things for you. So that's not too far off, but that's my obsession. Everybody will have an EA in the near future.
And my obsession is a bit of a different one, actually. In a recent news flash on Training Journal, I published about a report saying that AI tools have added to people's workloads. 77% of employees were saying that. And half of them are saying, I don't know how to get the productivity gains that people keep telling me about with AI. So my obsession is about, well, how do we bring this kind of idea and premise together with the reality and not add too much to people's workload?
In terms of my AI obsession, I think learning is still where I am in this, and been implementing different type of AI agents which can actually help organizations drill down better into the data that they generate through the performance processes, and agents which can actually interpret data more effectively in terms of what's really happening inside the organization.